Hello friends, today we are going to discuss the latest IBM interview question. So this question is available on the Strata Scratch platform. The link is available in the description box. Okay, you can check it out. So first of all, let's discuss the question. So the question is based upon the interaction summary. We need to calculate the total number of interactions and the total number of contents created for each customer. Okay. So your output should include all the customer IDs and the total number of interactions and the total number of content items. Okay. So now what are the data is available? So we have the two data frames, customer interactions and the user content. Customer interaction consists of interaction ID, customer ID, interaction type, and interaction date. Then secondly, user content consists of content ID, customer ID, content type, and content text. So the very first step is to merge these two data frames. To merge the two data frames. Now, if we use the inner join, then inner join, what does it do? It includes those customers which have both interaction type and the content type. But in this question, you need to include those customers also who have only interaction types and only content types also. So in that case, if we merge the two data frames, we need to use the join which includes those customers also. So for that purpose, we are going to use the outer join, which includes all the customer IDs. Okay. Now, after merging the two data frames, we are going to calculate the number of interactions and the number of content types based upon the customer ID. So we are going to use the group by keyword. Okay, group by on customer ID to calculate the total number of interactions. How do we calculate the total number of interactions? By using the count function. Okay. Now afterwards, we need to see how many customer IDs are present, or we need to see the sequence. So how to see the sequence? You can see the sequence with the help of by sorting all the values. Okay, from in descending order or ascending order, it is up to your wish. So we are going to use the sorting function to sort the values based upon the customer ID. Okay, to see the sequence of all the customers which are included who have both interactions and content types, who have only interactions, and the last who have only user content. Okay. Now let's write the code on Strata Scratch platform. So this is the platform. So this is the question we have. Now, first of all, in Python, for data manipulation, we are using the pandas library. So let's import pandas. And the very first step to merge the two data frames. First of all, I'm going to rename the data frames. Now I'm going to merge them. Now, on customer ID, see spelling. Okay. Then how do we merge? By using the outer join. Okay. Now let's see the data frame first. Now this is the data frame. Direction ID, customer ID, content ID, content type. So it includes all the data, right? Now let's count the number of interactions and content types based upon the customer ID. By so I'm going to use the aggregation. Interaction ID to calculate the interaction ID. Then the content ID. See, name the content ID. Okay. Now I'm going to reset the index. Why I'm using the reset index function? To include the customer ID as a column in the data frame. Okay. See the output. See, we have the customer ID, interaction ID, content ID. Okay. Those who don't have the interaction ID, that is 0. Okay. Those who have the no content type, that is 0. So let's see the output. It is already in sorting order. There is no need to do anything. Okay. Now next is, if you want to rename this interaction ID and content ID, because it does not represent the total number of interactions, total number of contents, then how do you do? So in pandas, we have the rename function. Okay, so we are able to rename the column names. Let's do the rename. So first of all, interaction ID. It is renamed as total interactions. And afterwards, content ID. It is renamed as total content. Okay. Now let's see the data frame. Now you can see our output, customer ID, total interactions, total content. Right? I hope it is clear to all of you. So if you like my video, kindly share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.